This is a video I'm taking in the event that legal repercussions are required to resolve the issue of water drainage on Plonsky Road in Thompson, Pennsylvania. Address in question is 1507. I'm standing at the top of the road currently facing the Schaefer Road, which crosses State Route 2046. We've been receiving incredibly heavy amounts of rain over the course of the last week and a half, and as you can see, we are handling it. It is running right down the road. It has started to wash out a little bit at the end of the Schaefer Road, but overall, the water flow, I would say, is 98% efficiency. Everything comes into a spillway at the bottom of the Schaefer Road, which empties into a sluiceway, which is clear, and continues down 2046 to a spillway, which actually empties out into the E.I. Berman Farm meadow. Now, as we look across 2046 down Plonsky Road, we're being accused of creating a ditch. Those were the words that I was told by Max Strawway, Township Supervisor, which has apparently caused a flooding issue with the neighbors down the road. If you can hear the rain right now, I'd say this is over an inch an hour. So what we have is water streaming down 2046. This water then sheds to the side of the road. Some of it which does make its way down the hill. We have number 3 gravel placed along side of 2046, which takes care of any washing out on our end. We also keep our lawn edged and trimmed, which does collect the water that spills over from the crown on the right half of the road, which is at a 4-degree grade as per any road construction would be conducted. Now, the problem becomes the fact that this water, as we continue down Plonsky Road, does meet the neighboring property, which is clearly marked and surveyed with iron and stakes set in place, but at no point in time has anything been done that would cause the water to do anything more than what it would do naturally on its own. We have a problem with the end of our driveway, which